What's the secret to enjoying life and staying fit? You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new and yet to subscribe, be sure to do that, and welcome to my channel. I post a lot of fitness and nutrition advice, as well as the occasional vlog on the Mighty Miracleman. Check out the story of my accident, and you'll learn why I'm called to that. Let's dive into that. Stay till the end after the 4 things to stay healthy and fit while enjoying life. And I'll get you a secret that not even doctors know. Even though I'll go over 4 ways to live longer and feel better, I want to start with the most important one first. Moderation. Nothing's really off limits if you don't gorge yourself on it. And there are some key takeaways for living longer and being healthy and fit while enjoying life. Okay, so the 4 key takeaways are: number 1, leave the table when you're still not full, just satiated. You don't want to gorge yourself. Number 2, get plenty of nutrient-dense food. This includes animal products, preferably organic, and fresh fruits and vegetables. The third thing you should do to stay healthy and fit while enjoying your life is to get daily exercise. But I don't have time. How am I supposed to fit it in with work, the kids, soccer, everything else? Not daily exercise can be as simple as housework or going for a walk around the block with the kids. It doesn't have to be devoted to exercise in the gym. And this brings up my coaching program. It's called ProFit, for busy professionals just like you. It's only between 30 and 45 minutes a day to live your best life and get healthy and fit. So the 4th and final thing to stay healthy and fit while enjoying life, it should be obvious, but get that sleep. As promised, I want to tell you guys something your doctor doesn't know, and is probably not. Did you know that there's an association between macular degeneration, which is the leading cause of blindness in those over 55, and aspirin use. Comment your email below and I'll hook you up with my nutrition guide. $50 value, 50 for free. So if you enjoyed that, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to stay updated on me, as well as get a whole bunch of fitness and nutrition advice, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I put a link to some videos I think you might be interested in the next little bit. So check those out.